Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add location to your Snapchats. So let's jump right on into it. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Snapchat app. Once your app is open, go ahead and take the snap that you'd like to send. So from here, I'm going to go and look on the right side of the screen and go down to the third icon that kind of looks like paper. Once you're here, you're going to go down to the middle of the screen and it'll say location. Go ahead and click on location. So from here, you can choose what location you'd like to add. I'm going to go ahead and choose the first one. And there you are. You're able to add location to your Snapchat. You can rearrange it however you'd like. And then go down to the bottom of the screen and press that blue send button. And I'm just going to go ahead and post it to my story. And there you are. That's how you add a location to your Snapchat. I hope this quick and easy video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. Also, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.